Hello, boys and girls and Crescent Academy families. This video is going to go over completing assignments on Google Classroom, specifically showing an example using the specials classes for third grade today. I will make more videos if you request on any kind of assignments, even specific assignments from your classroom. If you want to ask, I can show you how to complete them through videos. So today we're going to look at third grade specials. So when you log in, I'm in a student account on Google Classroom right now up here called Student Example. It's one that I use to show you guys how to do things. You go to your class. So once you're logged into Google Classroom, you click on whatever class you have the assignment for. You can either find upcoming assignments over here, or you can go to classwork up top. I'm going to go to classwork because I want to show you how to complete a couple different types of assignments. We're going to start, though, with one where you have to create a document to answer questions, because those seem to be the ones that are most difficult. So let's go to this awesome Learn About the Orchestra assignment Mrs. Detbarn put up. You go to View Assignment. Over here, it's going to tell you your work. You'll notice there's nothing there. If you just click Mark as Done, it will tell the teacher you completed the assignment, but it'll look like you did not complete it because there will be no work. Private comments are only seen by the teacher. You'll notice you can't add class comments. Those would be seen by everybody. That feature's not turned on. So you need to, if you want to submit some information that just the teachers will see, you put it in private comments. If you want to add work, you add it over here. However, the first step should always be read the directions. So Mrs. Detbarn tells us here that we're going to go on a safari at this website to learn about an orchestra. So the first thing you're going to do is click on this. It'll open a new tab, and you'll go through. You might see, like we see in the computer lab, you need to click that, allow. Your Flash player will run. If you're on an Apple-based device, though, Flash unfortunately is not supported. However, once you go through, you can click between those two tabs or X out like I did. And now you need to answer these three questions. However, to do this the easiest, you're going to add or create a document. The first thing you want to do, though, is highlight these by clicking and dragging your mouse so it turns blue. This way you have the questions with you as you create your document. Now you can right click with your mouse, say copy with the left click button, and now you're ready to click add or create. Down here you can create a new docs, which is just like a Word document in Microsoft Word. This is Google's version of that type of file. It'll take a few seconds depending on how Google is doing. You'll notice up here it says pop-up blocked for me because I use AdBlocker Plus. This means Google Docs is popping as a pop-up. If it doesn't show up like it did for me and you notice a window up here, it means it was blocked. You can click that and you can say always allow. That way in the future you won't have to do this. When you say done, now you should be able to go up here and click on the blue link and it will take you to what was blocked here as the pop-up. Now, the first thing you should do up here, instead of saying student example, you should change this to your name. I usually just like to use my last name. You can use your first and your last name, but you definitely need to have at least your first initial and your last name on those assignments. Now that you're here, you can right click or go to the edit menu with left click and paste, and it will paste those copied questions from the assignment. Now, this is just like Microsoft Word. You can format your letters, you can add links, you can insert comments and pictures. Don't worry about comments. That's more for if you want to comment on other people's work, if they share it with you. You can change your font, you can change your size. Press enter, go down, make a number 1, and start answering the questions. You'll notice it automatically tabbed it over. If you don't like this, you can go and change the settings yourself. It automatically formatted it as a numbered list. I'm going to leave it like that since I'm going to be answering questions. So you're going to go through and say, what are the 4 sections of the orchestra? You're going to start answering the questions. I'm not going to sit here and make you watch me answer. However, when you press enter, it automatically makes it 2. 1 instrument from each section of the orchestra. And then you give your answers. When you're done, you'll notice up here it's saying all changes are saved in Drive. It's automatically saving this on your own student's Google Drive. All you have to do now is you can click out of this window when you're done. This is automatically there. You say turn in, and the file will go to your student's teacher for their review. If they think you need to work on it more, they'll return it to you with some comments. If it's good, you'll get your grade in Google Classroom. Hope this helps and look forward to seeing you on future videos. Thank you.